The first step is you want to make sure you have a Google account. You can create one for free. You also want to make sure you have the name, address, and phone number of your business. Also a business category and a business description. You're going to need those to be able to create your account. Now, there are a few ways you can go about this. If you already have an account, you can go to Manage Now. But if you don't have an account, you can actually create it by doing this over here. Going to Google Business Profile. And if you don't have an account, it'll ask you once you go here to create an account. And you could say for my personal use, for my child, for work, or my business. So either of these two, and it'll be linked to your business. But in this instance, we are already logged in, and we will just show you how it is once that takes place. It's pretty much the same way, but my advice is at least create a Google account and take it from there, because then you can start to just make all your changes. Once you have created a Google account, a Gmail account, this is what you get to see. You see I'm logged in over here, right? And so it's pretty much the same process. So the first process, again, would be to create your Gmail account if you don't have one. If you do have one, this is where you just pick things up from. Okay, so now once you're logged in, you go to, or let me say, once you go to google.com/business, as you can see on the top left here, google.com/business, you can also go there by just typing Google Business Profile, and it should take you to the Google Business page. As you can see here, Google Business Profile, it's right here. Once I click this, it takes me to where I want to go. Now I am going to start by saying Manage Now, not sign in, just Manage Now. Now, when you click Manage Now, if you have a business already, you can type in the name of that business there just to see if it pops up. As you can see here, this pops up. In this instance, as I've done this, if I do want to claim BizCrown Media, I will then click BizCrown Media and have to go through all that process. Now, if I did that, see what would happen here. So if you're claiming, because Google might have actually listed you already on their site, but if you have not been listed, then you go about it the other way. So this is if you've been listed already and you just claim it. You see, and it tells you someone else may manage this business profile, and then you request access. If there isn't, it just tells you to carry on. You follow that process. So, but over here, I'm going to go back and we're just going to start a new business, And so in this instance, I'm going to just say Graham Leap over here, create a business with this name. All right. Pretty much the same process. So let's do Graham Leap. Let's continue. Must not be blank. There we go.